Hi there, this is Fasi.
And I'm Mike.
Today, the king is here, guys. Let's open it up. Let's see what's in there.
Let's check
Mike?
it out. So this is the 5 TE 3.0. It's their first electric 12S vehicle. I believe the first 12S electric vehicle in general.
And guys, they forgot to put one logo on the box. The team pick. So our friend Juan ended up picking up the whole thing. Wow, it's huge. It's humongous, bro.
Get this.
Come on, it's a team pick. Oh.
Hold on. I don't know how I'm gonna grab this. Let's see.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Sorry for my language.
Get this out of the way.
Get accessories.
And let's pick this up.
Wow.
Wow.
I wonder if I can put my kid on it.
If you guys are familiar with the shop, our workstations, it's taking up the entire workstation. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is almost like 5 feet long.
Yeah, this is nuts. So I believe, let's check out the body, the chassis. There's body clips here, 2 in the back. And then I think there's some lever here. Probably easier to do from the bottom.
Yeah. And there's something stuck here.
There you go. So
Wow.
it's got the internal cage here. It's not polycarbonate. It's like a molded plastic, kind of like the Sprint, the 22S Sprint. It's got all the lining, the webbing on the windows, tons of bracing. This body's probably like 5 pounds. We got the chassis here. Man, this thing's crazy.
This thing is crazy.
These are massive oil-filled shocks. We got the huge 560 motor here. Obviously Metal Gear steering servo. It's got the 2 little links here. Man, that feels nice. Tires.
It's a 12S. It also comes with a lot of accessories. I did not get to see the controller. Let me bring it back.
Got the spare tire here. This is their new ESC. It's the Firma, one of the Firmas. This is super cool. I'm glad that they did this little mount right here so the wires are not flopping around all over the place. IC5 on this side. Another IC5 on this side. I believe they're coming out with a 7200 6S batteries for these that are going to be $199.99. And yeah, God, look at this front bumper. These shocks are massive.
And this one also comes with the DX3 controller.
DX3, nice. That's the first DX3 I've seen in a while on a vehicle, and they typically do the SLT3, but it's nice to see a DX3. God, that driveline sounds insane. Got the dual fans, aluminum motor mount. Yeah, what is that? The S1000 MT. Aluminum bell cranks. It's already got some good upgrades on it. These A-arms look crazy. God, these drive shafts. Well, yeah, we got them in stock just right now, guys. I believe the coordinated launch
is 20th.
On the 20th, yeah. So we're fully stocked. Check it out. All the new Sun Racing locations will have them.
Also, they added some straps in case you lose the other ones or torn up, and some accessories, some AA batteries for the controller, so you don't have to spend that money. I wish they include the other batteries, but that's not possible.
Yeah, 12S vehicle, guys. Be on the lookout. It is $1,500.
Oh,
$1,499.99.
It's a really good price for the product.
Good deal for the size for the vehicle, for sure.
All right, guys. Thank you. We just want to give you the quick review. Hopefully, we'll talk about it, compare it with other vehicles later. So, thanks for watching.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.